Hi, today I am going to show you how you can set up your data science project with R and Python. So let's get started. For this, we will be using the virtual environment. So virtual environment is a isolated space in the operating system where you can put your useful your or necessary package that you want to use, and it does not impact your global R or Python environment. For example, so this is a terminal as you can see, and if I type here Python 3, so the version is 3.8.5. So it comes default by the Ubuntu operating system 20.04. If I am using the import pandas, so it gives the error because I am not installing any packages in the Python which comes default by the Ubuntu operating system. But if you see this folder, so this folder I am creating a virtual environment, but a Python virtual environment, and here is a Python. So I already created this virtual environment, and in this environment I installed lots of libraries, pandas, numpy, tensorflow, and spaCy. Similarly, we will create a R virtual environment like a Python, where I put your own packages like ggplot to dplyr, and it does not impact your current global R environment. Now question is arise how you can do that. For doing that, you have to use the renv package which is available in the CRAN. And first, what you have to do, first create a folder, any folder, and just call a init function. That's it, and your virtual environment is created. It is so simple. And I am making the R markdown file. So R markdown is a general purpose reporting tool, and it support more than 10 plus programming language, and you don't need to do the front end development. It automatically convert your code in JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So it saves lots of time. And if you observed other editor, so R markdown is just like a editor, advanced text editor. And if you observe the other editor like Jupyter Notebook or Visual Code, you have to do coding, you have to create a different file. So suppose I want to use the tidyverse package, I have to create a R file, .r file. Similarly, if I want to use some other libraries like TensorFlow, then I have to create another file .py. But in the R markdown, you can put all the you can put mix of R and Python in same file. This is my terminal, and if I type R, so this is a R version. It installed globally in the Ubuntu operating system, and all the packages saved in the R directory. If you in the home directory, if you go there, you will find lots of libraries I installed like dplyr package and R6 pure, and there are lots of packages RCPP. To create the R virtual environment, first create a folder. So I am creating a folder, and I put the name tidyverse. This is my tidyverse folder, and so this is my file. And what I am doing now, I go in the tidyverse folder by command set wt. So I am under tidyverse folder here. So as you can see, this is there is nothing in this folder, but I have to create a virtual environment. For that, you have to just use the command now comes to the tidyverse folder. So your virtual environment is created successfully, and this is your R project, and this is your file which run this R profile file. And here is a you can find, so this is a script. You don't need to worry about all the things. So just see in this directory, library directory, and so uh, 3.6, and this is, so in this area package is installed. So in this virtual environment only one package is there, renv. And if you go in the r directory where your all the, this is a global r environment, if you go there you will find lots of libraries like dplyr. And now what I am doing now, I open the RStudio, so this automatically loaded the tidyverse virtual environment. And if you go there in package, there is only one package. You successfully created your virtual environment, and you work as usual you do uh, in the global R environment. Now I installed the ggplot2 library so that I can show you the example. It will take time, so I pause the video. I successfully installed the ggplot2 library. So if you refresh in the tab, in the package tab in the RStudio, so here you can find ggplot2 library. So similarly, you should also install the reticulate package. By reticulate package you can use the Python in virtual environment in the home folder. So here this is the folder of Python virtual environment, and tidyverse is a virtual environment for the R programming. So if you go there inside the tidyverse folder, and if you see now the library, so as you can see that there are lots of library. So I only installed the ggplot2, but all other libraries are dependencies. So you can also install the reticulate package. Now I'll be showing you the demo how you can use the R and Python. So first you have to activate the virtual environment. So this is a data science folder. So if you go there in home directory, so this is, here is a virtual environment what I am writing here. So I run it. Then after that you have to write these things Python. And what I am doing now, I import the pandas as a pd. This is a Python command. And I am going in the directory data science project where some data is contained, Titanic data set. So I successfully set the working directory. Now I am using the pd dot read csv for importing the data set. So this is a summary function of Python. So if you observed here, this is a file data preprocessing.rmd, and I am using the both two language R and Python. So this is a Python command. Now I am using the R command. For this I am using the ggplot2 library, and you can just use your Python data structure by writing py for Python data structure and $sign and df. So df is a Python data structure, pandas data structure, and I am making the, so this is basically a simple ggplot2 command. If you run this command, it will give you this result. And wait a minute, you can also convert this file into a HTML file. So just click here and knit to HTML. Your report is ready now. Thank you.